Alright, let us start here with the cats. I mean, there's no better place to start. So, I'm gonna do a vlog-ish video. It's gonna just be a story. I was playing Minecraft earlier today. I was playing Minecraft earlier today and heard some squawking going outside, so I decided to go take a look, and I see a couple of crows fighting these other little tiny birds, and one tiny bird being attacked by a crow. So, I run in, chase away the crow, and take the bird. And, take it inside, try to see if it's hurt. And made a little box for it, cardboard and stuff. It was pretty interesting. But now we're here. We're at this stage now. You see this bird isn't here. But you see this bird right here. I think it's a blackbird. I'm not sure if it would focus. Look at him. Look at him. See? You would think, oh no, you guys are cooped up in the cage. Now look at this bird. Come here. This bird actually likes to be pet. Like earlier, I was petting him. He was in my lap, and he leaned all the way back, almost fell over. And sometimes, if I pet him slow, his eyes will. He'll do this weird little thing with his throat. But I mean, yeah. And his leg is a little hurt, and he doesn't really fly far. So, that's that. I try to give him some pears, and bread, and water, and all that. Look at him. He's super chill. It's a super chill bird. I don't know. But yeah, I think he's a blackbird. So correct me if I'm wrong. I'm keeping him, locked away. And that dark, I had birds before. So he's just gonna stay chilled. And we got, with the Bagheera. So scratched himself. A little scratch in his eye. Got the Simba. They've been after him. But yeah. It's pretty much it. As far as the bird goes. Like this Simba up here. Chilling. Look at him. Oh, look at him. Okay, I'm weird, I'm sorry. Anyway, this is probably gonna be like a really short video. Just a little vlog just to be like, yo. This is what I did today. I probably might do like a one tomorrow. Like a bird vlog update. To see what it is.